Okay, solve the simultaneous equations. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure we've got x's over x's, y's over y's, and numbers over numbers. So that's all right. And now we have to multiply one of the equations so that we've got the same number of x's or y's. And what I'm going to do is multiply this equation by 2. So we'll end up with 2y, the same as that 2y there. Right, so if I multiply this by 2, I get 4x plus 2y equals 20. And now what I'm going to do is subtract this equation from this equation. So I'll write them both out again. So the top one, 3x plus 2y equals 17. And I'm going to subtract this second equation, 4x plus 2y equals 20. So 3x minus 4x, that's minus x. 2y minus 2y, that's no y's, so that's the y's eliminated. And then 17 minus 20 is minus 3. So if minus x equals minus 3, then x equals 3. Okay, so we've got one solution. Now we need to find what y equals. So I'm going to put this value of x into one of the equations, into the first equation. So if x equals 3, that's 9 plus 2y equals 17. So if I subtract 9 from both sides, y equals 4. Okay, so I think I've got both solutions, but I'm going to check them by putting them into the other equation. Okay, so 2x, well that's 2 times 3, which is 6, plus y, which is 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So I'm happy with my solutions. Okay, so x equals 3, y equals 4. All right, 3 marks if you get both solutions correct. 1 mark if you get this far, and another mark if you get this far.